Welcome food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel, I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. I started cooking Filipino recipes when I was 12 years old to help my friends while working around the farm. Into this video, we will make one more delicious version of chicken adobo. This time with potatoes and eggs. Also don't miss my other delicious chicken adobo recipe on the link above. I recommend marinating the chicken for at least 3 hours and even better overnight. In this video, I will show you a quicker version. This recipe should take you 50 to 55 minutes of total preparation time. In this recipe, we will need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 medium onions chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1 whole garlic bulbs mashed and peeled, 32 ounces of chicken, drumsticks or chicken breast, 1½ cups of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of pepper, 1 cup of white vinegar, 5 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped chili, optional, 3 cups of water, 3 potatoes peeled and sliced, 5 cooked eggs, whole. Recipe steps: place the chicken into a large glass bowl, add the spices, pepper, vinegar, and garlic. Now you can use your hands to mix all the ingredients. Put the bowl aside to let it marinate while we start heating an 11-inch shallow casserole. Start on a low heat and add the oil. Add the onions and mix well until golden. Add the ginger and cook it until brown. Add the marinated chicken into the casserole. Keep the marinated sauce aside as we will use it later. Slowly cook the chicken for about 10 minutes until it turns brown on both sides. Add the water, the marinated sauce, the chili, and the bay leaves. Increase the heat to medium and cover the casserole to bring it to a boil. Add the potatoes. Cover the casserole for about 30 minutes. Avoid cooking the chicken adobo on high heat, making the chicken hard with an off taste. After about 30 minutes, when the potatoes start becoming soft, add the eggs. Mix them slowly for about 2 minutes. Make sure not to overcook the potatoes as we want to avoid them being too soft and mushy. The chicken should already be tender when first with the fork. This dish is best served immediately while it's still hot. If you have leftovers, you can put them into the refrigerator for about 1 week or frozen for 6 months. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have found this video helpful. Thank you and enjoy your meal.